Welcome to Cookin with Bobbi Jo. It has been raining all day, and we're supposed to get snow here in a little while because all of this is going to be turning to ice. So it's supposed to get down into the teens. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest my broccoli because it's not going to survive this cold snap we're about to get. Like this one needs to be harvested. It's starting to flower, and see all these, they look good, they're just not as big all the way down, but everything's starting to freeze out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and got my knife and my bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest everything, and I'll come back in a second. Yeah, some good looking broccoli.